How's everybody doing? My name is Frankie and my channel is Joy Route. I'm going to tell you what I think is a very good deal for someone who lives in a vehicle, someone who lives in a van, an RV, a car, or whatever. The Panera Bread coffee and tea subscription service is a very good deal for anyone who lives in a van or anyone, period. Nomads, it's just a very good deal. You pay $8.99 a month and you get unlimited coffee or tea, hot coffee or hot tea. You get unlimited. It's a very good deal for someone who lives in a van. So this is the unlimited coffee or tea service that you get for $8.99 a month. It's really a good deal on a day like today. It's raining and who couldn't use a cup of hot tea? So I'm going to go in and get my tea. I'll show you all a picture of the tea I like. So what's going to be my lunch for today, living in my van? I just left Panera Bread and got me a cup of hot tea. I'm in a mood now for like some chicken salad. So I'm going to go down here to a grocery store and get some chicken salad. I did just pass a Whole Foods. I like their chicken salad, but it is pricey. But really, it's only like $1 more, maybe $1 or $2 more than at the grocery store. So I may swing back and go to, I need to put my blinkers on. I may swing back and go to Whole Foods. But yeah, I'm just going to drink my tea and I want something to eat. I might go sit in Panera Bread or I might go to my cousin's. When I'm in Ohio, I'm in different parts of Ohio. So sometimes I'm a couple of hundred miles away from where my family is. And then my family is scattered out in different cities in Ohio that are a couple of hundred miles away. So when I say Ohio, I'm not always like where the family is. That's no fun, right? Sometimes you want to venture off. Ohio is a beautiful state. But anyway, I'm going to get some chicken salad. I'm going to drink my ginger peach tea. And I'm going to continue working. I'm not sleepy. Sometimes in this weather, you can get kind of sleepy. But I'm good. All right, y'all. Take that route. So lunch is going to be ham salad and a hot pickle and my ginger peach tea. I don't like ham salad as much as I like. So my order of salads, I like chicken salad, tuna salad, then ham salad. And I like different kinds of pasta salad. But this was on sale for $1.39. And even though I don't like it, that price, I was like, it's okay. I mean, I don't love ham, but I don't, I like chicken salad better. And then the hot pickle, this reminds me of my teenage years. I love some hot pickles. In my grandmother's house, one of the things we would do is go to the store, like walk down the street to the corner store, the mom and pop store, and somebody would get a pickle, somebody would get some like penny candy or whatever, and we would I would come back and we would cut the pickle up and we would eat the candy and the pickles. It was good, y'all. What y'all know about hot pickles? But anyway, y'all, I'm going to put another clip after this, I think, showing showing a different lunch option. Y'all asked what I'd be eating in this van, so I'm going to give y'all some options. Take that route. Y'all asked me to blog my life living in a van. So my name is Frankie. My channel is Joy Route, and I live in my van. And today for lunch, I'm having a spinach sandwich and mushrooms, kettle chips, and a fruit cup. Y'all asked me to blog my life. So I've been talking about it. I want to not eat out. I want to be able to cook in my van, or just because I have a butane stove. So I want to be able to like take it to a park and sit it out, or a campground and cook. But in the meantime, I'm kind of stuck buying out or buying stuff like from stores, like chicken salad and stuff. But anyway, just wanted to show y'all what I was having for lunch today. Y'all curious what I'm having for lunch, so that's so cool. All right, take the Joy route.